Good evening, sir. I can help the next person in line. How can I help you today?
Good evening. I hope you can help me. I am a little bit lost. This is my first time mailing a package from Austria, and I am not sure what I need to do.
Of course. I would be happy to walk you through the process. It is very simple once you know the steps. You have come to the right place.
Thank you so much. I have this box here, and I want to send it to my friend in the United States. It is a birthday present for him.
That is a very nice thought. Sending a package internationally is a very common request. I see you have the box open. That is actually perfect. We can start by making sure everything is packed securely.
Oh, I did not seal it yet because I was not sure if I needed to show you what was inside.
That was very smart. For an international shipment, we do need to know the contents for the customs declaration, so it is good that you waited. What are you sending to your friend?
I have a few different things for him. First, there is this book. It is a novel by an Austrian author that I think he will like.
A book is a great gift. Is there anything else in the box?
Yes, I also bought him this warm sweater because the winters are very cold where he lives. And finally, I got him some local Austrian chocolates, the ones with the Mozart pictures on them.
Ah, Mozart Kugels. An excellent choice. He will love those. So, a book, a sweater, and some chocolates. Are any of the items fragile?
I do not think so. The book is a hardcover, so it is quite strong, and the sweater is soft. The chocolates are in a sturdy box. Do you think I need any extra protection?
The box you have is a good, strong cardboard box, which is great. But since it is traveling a very long distance, a little extra padding is never a bad idea. It will stop the items from moving around during transit. I have some bubble wrap here we can use.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Thank you. How should I use it?
Just wrap a single layer around the box of chocolates, just to be safe. Then you can place the sweater at the bottom of the box, put the book and the chocolates on top of it, and use any extra bubble wrap to fill in the empty spaces. We want everything to be snug.
Snug. I understand. So nothing can move or rattle. Okay, that feels much more secure now. Now I can seal the box with this tape?
Yes, please. Make sure you tape it securely along the top seam and also along the side edges to make it strong.
Okay, the box is securely packed and sealed. It feels very solid now. What is the next step?
The next step is to decide what kind of shipping service you would like to use. We have a few different options available for sending a package to the United States.
What are the options? I do not need it to arrive tomorrow, but I would like it to get there in a reasonable amount of time.
Of course, our two main options are Standard International Post and Express International Post.
What is the difference between them?
The main differences are the delivery speed and the cost. Standard Post is our economy option. It is the most affordable choice, and the delivery to the U.S. usually takes between 10 and 15 business days.
10 to 15 business days. That is about 2 to 3 weeks. That sounds perfectly fine for a birthday present. What about the other option, Express Post?
Express Post is our premium high-speed service. With this option, the package would be delivered in about 3 to 5 business days. It is much faster, but as you can imagine, it is also significantly more expensive.
I see. For a birthday present, I think the Standard Post is a much better choice for me. I am not in a huge hurry, and I would prefer to save some money.
Standard International Post is a very popular and reliable choice. Now, with the standard service, you also have one more small choice to make. You can choose the basic service, or you can add a tracking number for a small extra fee.
A tracking number? What is that exactly?
A tracking number is a unique code that is assigned to your package. You can enter this code on our post office website, and it will show you the status and location of your package as it travels to its destination.
So I can actually see where my package is? For example, I can see when it leaves Austria or when it arrives in the United States?
Yes, exactly. It will show you all the major transit points. It is very useful because you will know that your package is moving correctly, and you will have a better idea of when it will be delivered. It also serves as a proof of postage.
That sounds like a really great feature. It would give me peace of mind to know where the present is on its journey. How much extra does that cost?
For a package to the United States, adding a tracking number costs an additional €3.50.
For that price, I think it is definitely worth it. I would feel much more comfortable knowing I can track its progress. So I would like the standard international post with a tracking number, please.
An excellent choice. So that is Standard Post with tracking. Now, one final question about the service. Would you like to add insurance to the package?
Insurance? Like travel insurance? What does that cover?
It is a similar idea. Postal insurance protects you against the small chance that your package gets lost or damaged during transit.
Oh, I see. Does that happen very often? Is it something I should be worried about?
It is very, very rare. Our delivery network is extremely reliable. However, accidents can sometimes happen, especially on a long international journey. Insurance just gives you that extra layer of security.
So how does it work? What do I need to do?
If you choose to add insurance, you have to declare the total value of the items inside the package. For example, you would tell me the approximate cost of the book, the sweater, and the chocolates.
And if the package gets lost, the post office will pay me back that value?
That is correct. We would refund you the declared value of the contents as well as the shipping cost. The price of the insurance depends on the total value you declare. For a package with a value of up to €100, the insurance fee is €5.
I see. The items are not extremely valuable. The sweater was the most expensive thing. In total, I think the value is around €70. Do you think I need the insurance?
It is a personal choice. Many people do not take it for items that are not very expensive. However, since it is a gift, some people choose to insure it for peace of mind. For a €70 value, the €5 fee is quite reasonable.
I think I will take the insurance. For €5, the peace of mind is worth it. I would be very sad if the birthday present got lost.
Okay, so we have decided on Standard Post with tracking and insurance. Perfect. The next step is to fill out the shipping label. I have one for you right here.
This looks very official. There are a lot of boxes to fill in.
Do not worry, I will guide you. This top section here, where it says Absender, is for the sender's details. That is you. You need to write your full name and your address here in Austria.
My name and my Austrian address. Okay. Do I need to include my phone number and email address?
It is highly recommended. If there is any problem with the delivery, it gives us a way to contact you.
That makes sense. I will add those as well. I should write very clearly, right?
Yes, please. Use capital letters if possible. Clear, legible handwriting is very important to make sure the package gets delivered correctly.
Okay. The sender's information is all filled out. Now, what about this bottom section?
That section, where it says Empfänger, is for the recipient. That is your friend. You need to write his full name and his complete address in the United States here.
His full name and address. I have it right here on my phone.
Make sure you include the street name and number, the city, the state, and most importantly, the zip code. The American postal system relies heavily on zip codes, and do not forget to write USA very clearly as the country. The shipping label is filled out perfectly. Thank you. Now, because you are sending the package outside of the European Union, we need to fill out one more form. This is the Customs Declaration form.
A customs form? What is that for?
Every item that enters the country from outside has to be declared to the customs authority of that country. This form tells the U.S. customs officials exactly what is inside your package, what its value is, and what its purpose is.
I see. It sounds complicated.
It is very straightforward. I will help you. First, you need to tick this box here that says gift. This is important because it tells the customs officials that it is a personal gift and not a commercial item for sale.
Okay, gift is ticked. Now, what about this large table? It says detailed description of contents.
In this table, you need to list each type of item in the box separately. So on the first line, you will write hardcover book. Then you will write the quantity, which is 1. Then you need to estimate the weight and the value in euros.
Okay, so line 1 is book, line 2 will be wool sweater, and line 3 will be chocolates. I need to write the value for each item.
Yes, just an approximate value is fine. It is for customs and insurance purposes. Finally, in this last column, you need to write the country of origin for each item.
The country of origin? The sweater was made in Portugal, the book was printed in Germany, and the chocolates are from Austria. Do I need to be that specific?
Yes, that is perfect. It is best to be as accurate as possible. It helps the customs process go smoothly. Once that is done, you just need to sign and date the form at the bottom. Excellent! All the paperwork is complete. You have done a great job. The final step before we can calculate the cost is to weigh the package. Could you please place your sealed box on the electronic scale here?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Let's see. The final weight is 1.8 kilograms.
1.8 kilograms. Is that okay? Is there a weight limit?
That weight is perfectly fine. The international limit is much higher than that. The weight is simply one of the factors used to calculate the final price.
So, how is the price calculated?
The total shipping cost is based on a combination of 4 things: First, the destination country, in this case, the USA. Second, the final weight, which is 1.8 kilograms. Third, the service you chose, which is standard post with tracking. And fourth, the optional services you added, which is the insurance.
I see. It is a combination of all those factors. So the computer will calculate the final price for me now.
Exactly. I will just enter all the details into the system. Destination, USA. Weight, 1.8 kilos. Standard service with tracking and insured for a value of 70 euros. Okay, the total price comes to 42 euros and 50 cents.
42 euros and 50 cents. Okay, that sounds reasonable for sending a package all the way to America, with tracking and insurance included. I am happy with that price.
Great. And how would you like to pay for that today? We accept cash, debit cards, and credit cards.
I will pay by credit card, please.
Of course. You can just insert or tap your card on the payment terminal here whenever you are ready.
Okay, I will just tap my card. There. Has it gone through?
Yes, the payment is approved. Thank you. Here is your receipt. While that was processing, I have attached all the necessary documents to your package.
Oh, I see. My box is covered in stickers and labels now.
It is. This big one here is the main shipping label with the addresses. This clear plastic wallet contains the customs declaration form that you filled out. And this special sticker here has the barcode for your tracking number.
It looks very official and important now. I am glad you did that part and not me.
It is all part of the service. I want to draw your attention to your receipt. You can see the tracking number is printed right here at the top. This is your important number. Do not lose this receipt until your friend has received the package.
This is the tracking number. Thank you for pointing that out. So, what do I do with this number now?
You can go to our website, post.at. There is a section called Track and Trace. You just type this number into the box, and it will show you the current status of your shipment. I would suggest waiting about 24 hours before you check it for the first time, as it takes a little while for the information to appear in the system.
Okay, I will check it tomorrow evening. And you said the estimated delivery time is between 10 and 15 business days?
That is correct. Business days means we do not count the weekends or public holidays, so your friend should receive his gift in about 2 to 3 weeks.
That is perfect. That will be right on time for his birthday. I am so relieved. I came in here feeling so confused, and now everything is done perfectly.
I am so happy I could help. It is my job to make the process as easy as possible for our customers. Your package is now ready to go. You can leave it here with me on the counter, and it will be collected for its long journey later this evening.
Thank you so much for your incredible patience and for explaining everything so clearly. You have been a fantastic help.
You are very welcome. We hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Thank you again. Goodbye.